Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's essential for our well-being: how to get better sleep. We all know how important a good night's rest is. So stick around for some practical tips and tricks that can help you achieve just that. Let's get started. The first step to better sleep starts with your environment. It's crucial to create a calming and comfortable space. Here's what you can do. Invest in a quality mattress and pillows. A supportive mattress and comfortable pillows can make a world of difference in your sleep quality. Adjust the lighting. Dim the lights in your bedroom before bedtime. Consider using blackout curtains to block out any excess light. Maintain a comfortable temperature. Keep the room cool and well ventilated, as a slightly cooler environment is generally more conducive to sleep. Having a consistent bedtime routine signals to your body that it's time to wind down. Here are some steps you can include. Limit screen time. Avoid screens an hour before bed. The blue light emitted can interfere with your body's production of melatonin. Practice relaxation techniques. Engage in calming activities like reading, gentle stretching, or deep breathing exercises. Avoid stimulants. Steer clear of caffeine and nicotine in the hours leading up to bedtime. What you consume throughout the day can impact your sleep quality. Let's talk about some dietary considerations. Moderate caffeine and sugar. Limit your intake of caffeine and sugary foods, especially in the afternoon and evening. Hydration balance. Stay hydrated, but try to limit large amounts of liquids right before bed to avoid frequent trips to the bathroom. During the night, opt for sleep-inducing foods. Incorporate foods rich in tryptophan, like turkey, nuts, and dairy, into your evening meals. And there you have it, folks, a comprehensive guide on how to get better sleep. Remember, establishing a routine and creating a restful environment are key. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more valuable content. Until next time, sweet dreams.